Wrap her up in her towel. You're such a good little mommy. Does she need to go potty? Yeah? Can she sit on her potty chair? Can she sit right there? Ooh, you got her a minute ago. What? It's okay. Pick her up and set her down. Stay put, chair. There. Yeah, we got her. There you go. Oh, don't forget your passy, baby. All done potty chair, baby. Put your towel on. And we need this little thing for wiping a diaper. Are you going to take off her nail polish? Dish? I really don't know. Oh, you're going to take off my toenail polish? Thanks. I really think that's a piece of Diesel's dog bed. Thanks. It's all part of the process.
Oh, we did it.
Good job.
Oh my God.
Yeah, boy, yeah. Bye-bye, Kyler mommy. Bye, baby. Bye, Kyler mommy. You did a good job. Good job. Look at what you did. Don't forget her little blanket. There we go. There you go. Oh, can I hold her? Can mommy hold her? I don't think those are for babies. No, put that down. That's a no-no. This is yours. Fish. Can mommy wrap her up? Watch this. Watch how good mommy is. Let's see here. Hang on. And figure. Nope. Oh, come here. Look, look, look. Look. There. You don't like it when I put that little towel on your head, do you?
I want that.
There's your next baby. Baby all gone. Did you get it to stick? Good job. You're such a good little mama. Look what you did.